Has anyone ever told you that math is difficult, or maybe at one point you felt like math is this big, scary monster with impossible numbers and tricky equations? Well, guess what? Math is more of a superhero than it is a monster. Welcome to Young for STEM. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of mathematics, the universal language that shapes our world in ways you've never imagined. Buckle up, because in the next minutes you'll discover how math isn't just about numbers. It's the secret ingredient behind everything we do. First things first, we cannot deny that math is everywhere, from calculating your grocery bill to predicting the weather and even launching rockets into space. Math is the backbone of modern science. Think about it. Every app on your phone, every bridge you cross, and even your favorite sports stats rely on mathematical principle. Simpler examples could be when you're buying snacks and need to figure out how much change you'll get. Math. Shooting hoops in basketball. Angles and timing, also math. Baking cookies. You're measuring ingredients. Math strikes again. It's like having a secret power you're already using without even realizing it. Pretty cool, right? But here's the kicker. Math isn't just practical, it's also beautiful. Let's explain why. Did you know that math helps us understand the beauty of nature? Look at the spiral of a sunflower or the symmetry of a snowflake. These patterns are governed by mathematical concepts like Fibonacci sequence and fractals. Even in art and music, math plays a key role. From the proportions in the Mona Lisa to the rhythm in your favorite song, math helps create harmony and structure. Now, let's talk about STEM. Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Math is the foundation of STEM fields. Scientists use math for experiments. Engineers rely on it to design everything from skyscrapers to robots. And computer programmers use algorithms, basically math in action, to make technology work. So, if you're dreaming of a career in STEM, mastering math is your first step. And don't worry, it's a skill you can build one equation at a time. Meet some real-life superheroes who changed the world with math. Katherine Johnson, a NASA mathematician, used math to calculate spaceflight trajectories, helping astronauts land on the moon. Maryam Mirzakhani, the first woman to win the Fields Medal, transformed our understanding of geometry. And let's not forget, you can be next. With math, you can innovate, solve big problems, and leave your mark on the world. Learning math doesn't have to be boring. Try solving puzzles, playing strategy games, or using apps that make math fun and interactive. Math isn't just about memorizing formulas. It's about solving problems and thinking critically. And guess what? The more you practice, the better you get. Math helps you think, solve problems, and unlock amazing opportunities. Whether you're exploring nature, designing the next big invention, or solving everyday challenges, math gives you the tools to succeed. Okay, I get it. Sometimes math can feel tricky, but here's a little secret. Every time you practice, your brain gets stronger, just like your muscles do when you play sports or dance. And guess what? Making mistakes is part of learning. Even the smartest mathematicians made mistakes before they cracked their big problems, because math is more than a subject. It's a superpower. So the next time someone says math is hard, you can say, it's my superpower. So keep exploring, keep solving, and remember, you're never too young for STEM. See you next time on Young for STEM.